Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2019 Kawasaki TERYX 4. We've just installed the factory half windshield on it and wanted to do a walk around and show you a little bit about this windshield. I wanted to point out on this windshield that we do have a couple different model year options. If you want to take note there, if you've got a 2012 to 2015, the part number is different than the 16s through the 19s. The windshield instructions are telling you it's about 30-minute approximate time to do the install. You can do it in probably 15. It's really easy to install, very optically clear on the material that's used. Attaches to the cage really nice. The purpose of the half windshield, as you guys are probably aware, as the wind comes, it hits this windshield and deflects up over this lip and will throw the air up over your face. So when you're driving down the roadway or the trail systems, you don't have that wind blasting you right in the face. The half windshield works great for most riding conditions, especially in the hot summer months. It gives you enough airflow inside the cab to help keep you cool. But obviously on the rainy or snowy days, it's not going to work too well for you. I love the half windshields. Been running half windshields for a long time. If you have any questions, give us a call, 435-427-3338. You can also check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. There's the part numbers, but we'll also have it posted up in the description below. If you have any questions about your Kawasaki TERYX, we are the masters. We've got all the answers for any part and accessory you would like. What do you guys think of the half windshield? Do you run a half or a full? What's your preference?